Are digestive biscuits healthy? Digestive biscuits are becoming fast popular today. They contain fiber and other important nutrients and are claimed to promote health and digestion. Some are even believed to lower blood sugar levels. But are these biscuits worth the hype? Can they actually be a healthier alternative to regular biscuits? Here, we discuss the possible benefits, nutritive values, and side effects of digestive biscuits. What are digestive biscuits? Digestive biscuits are semi-sweet biscuits with a crumbled texture. They are available in many variations. They are fast becoming popular as a replacement for several unhealthy snacks. Most digestive biscuit brands on the market tend to advertise their high fiber content, given the nutrients' role in promoting digestive and overall health. The addition of fiber to regular foods does have positive effects. But is that the case with digestive biscuits too? To understand better, let us first explore the ingredients in digestive biscuits. Ingredients in digestive biscuits. Most digestive biscuits contain the following nutrients. Coarse brown wheat flour. It gives the biscuit a distinctive texture and flavor. Sugar. It is used in the granulated form to impart a sweet flavor. It also gives a tender texture to the biscuit. Vegetable oil. It keeps the biscuits moist and prevents them from breaking. Wholemeal. It is used as a source of fiber. Malt extract. It improves the crispness, texture, and taste of the biscuit. Raising agents. These are used to create a fluffy crumb in the biscuits. Most biscuits use sodium bicarbonate as a raising agent. Salt. It is used to enhance the taste. Few other biscuit variants may also contain oatmeal dried whey, cultured skimmed milk, and powdered nuts. Following is the nutritional composition of digestive biscuits in general. Nutritional values of digestive biscuits, per 100 grams. Energy. 478 calories, carbohydrates, 62 grams, fat, 21 grams, protein, 7 grams. Dietary fiber. 3 grams, sugar, 16 grams, sodium, 500 milligrams. Do these nutrients offer any health benefits? Keep watching to know more. Benefits of digestive biscuits. When consumed in moderation, a digestive biscuit may be a better alternative to regular biscuits or cookies. Here are its benefits. May curb hunger pangs. Many digestive biscuits are rich in fiber. Fiber helps reduce hunger pangs. However, the link between regular consumption of digestive biscuits and reduced hunger is unclear. May aid digestion. The fiber in these biscuits helps absorb water and softens stools. It also promotes digestion and may relieve constipation. However, more information is warranted in this regard. May aid weight loss. Fiber may keep the stomach full for long. This may increase satiety and regulate food intake, and potentially aid weight loss. However, the fiber in digestive cookies cannot be an alternative to natural fiber sources. These benefits may make you feel that digestive biscuits can be consumed guilt-free. But are they healthy if consumed regularly? Are digestive biscuits healthy? Digestive biscuits contain fiber that has many positive benefits for overall health. Also, they are made of whole wheat flour, which is way better than white or processed flour. These biscuits also contain fewer calories than regular cookies. But other ingredients like vegetable oils, malt extract, and raising agents outweigh these benefits. They may do more harm if you consume all the biscuits in one go. Hence, moderation is advised. You should also check how many of these biscuits fit into your daily calorie budget. Consuming too many of these digestive biscuits can also pose certain risks. Risks of digestive biscuits. Anecdotal evidence suggests that over-intake of digestive biscuits may pose the following risks. The malt extract may cause flatulence if consumed in excess. Vegetable oil may induce cough when taken in excess. Raising agents may cause nausea and vomiting in a few. Hence, moderation is highly advised if you want to reap the benefits of digestive biscuits. Conclusion. Digestive biscuits might not offer you all the high claims they promise, but they can be a better replacement for a regular cookie. But moderation is highly advised as they too are processed foods like other cookies. Give them a try to keep your hunger pangs at bay. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.